Good Monday morning. I'd love to say that I just wake up like this, but I've been up since 3:30 because my cat's awesome. It's about 7 a.m. I'm gonna get out here and see if I can run. It's been a couple of weeks, and really I'm just taping this for motivation. So I'm gonna slow down my pace a bit, try to run 3 minutes with a 1 minute walk instead of doing 20 or 30 minutes straight through. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so that was successful. I was able to run and walk for about 30 minutes, and a lot of progress from last week when I ran for 30 minutes straight but couldn't walk stairs about 2 days later. So feeling great. I'm gonna go do some strength training. All done with my strength training. That's it for the day.